got a lake shot for you guys. Kind of like a little spoiler, like a little preview. Figured I'd do something cool like this, show a little preview to an upcoming video where we go camping right before I do the giveaway. This is the giveaway video. I just couldn't even imagine a camping trip without Arizona combo trays.
Oh yeah.
Life? No, what is it? Life.
Life finds a way. Velociraptor. Yes.
Very safe to eat.
Oh. Ashes. Can you eat ashes?
Yeah.
Thrill Mouse Moto. Today, like I said, giveaway. We're going to do the same thing we did last time. So, to keep things fair, we're going to run it back with the old spin the wheel app randomizer. Going to do that by the number. Wrote everyone down on the list. What is the list for? The list is for the hats. This cool Thrill Mouse Moto stitched logo hat. I got really bad lighting in here, but I wanted to keep it live and keep it simple so you guys know everything's fair. No favoritism here. Hat by Stitch It Up. And if you're not familiar with the video where all this is explained and you're not a subscriber, the idea of the contest was to be a subscriber to the Thrill Mouse Moto channel and follow Mr. Stitch It Up. I'll put it down across the bottom here on Instagram, and then to comment on the contest video, rule video, whatever we're calling that one, with the hashtag I remember my first Baja Blast. So everyone that did complete those tasks got to be put on the list here, and I numbered it 1 through 12. So actually this is pretty cool. If you're part of this contest, the odds are in your favor. That's the part where you would have screenshot to figure out what number you are. So when I do the randomizer app, you'll know which one it is before I list it, because I'm going to have you on the edge of your seat, because you know how I do. This one's going to be 1 through 50, so it's the same as last time, but I had like way more last time, so there really wasn't that many duds or anything. This one is definitely going to have that because there's only 12. So let's see how lucky we get and how duds are going to be. But I'm just going to spin them, and I'm going to mark it off, and then I'm going to list the name, and it's just going to go off of 1. Yeah, this one will only have 1 prize. I think last time we did like 4. I only have 1 of the hats for this one, so this is going to be 1 spin for 1 of the names. But like I said, 12 names, it's going to be an easy one. So, and it's going to be pretty quick too. I guess we'll just do it. So, full transparency here. Get that, can you see it on there? And then I'm going to hit a spin. And this is it. This is for the hat. That one and only hat. And we're going to keep going, because this is going to be a dud on that one. That's 34. There is only 12 names, so we're going to do this again. We're looking for 1 through 12 here, folks. You see it? It went all the way to 1 and then it spun around there. Let's run it back. Let's run it back. This is the one. I have a feeling that this will not be the one. We're going to do it again. They're thinking, hey, isn't there a better way to do this? I have no idea. I just thought that like I would just download this one wheel and it's 1 through 50. And look how close we're getting. People are just like, just give us a name already. Give us a number. We're ready just to win this hat and be done with this video. But 17, man, we're getting close. We're getting close. We're going backwards. That's not close at all. That's terrible. That's 3. 3, that's in it. We're just looking for 1 to 12, right? There's only 12 contestants in this contest to win this Thrill Mouse Moto logo stitch hat by Mr. Stitch It Up. Hooked us up on that. You'll see some photo shoots with us and other ways to get them and other ways to get them for free, which is pretty cool. So number 3, what are we doing here? Let's see. Let's go to the list. The list here. Number 3. There is a number 3. And it is Day by Day. Day by Day, the YouTube viewer, subscriber, follower of Mr. Stitch It Up, winner of the Thrill Mouse Moto hat. I did not wear this. We have multiple versions of these hats. So you'll see some photo shoots that homeboy Thomas took. Ryan and I are wearing them. Those are our hats. We have 2 dedicated hats for us, and then we have hats to give away. And this is one here. But day by day, just hit us up. Probably just do DM on Instagram, get it quicker, figure out how to get it out to you. And then you'll have to do email too, so however you want to do it. Other ways to win, I'm just going to keep doing it. I got these other hats. Giveaways are cool. I might do multiple, because that was kind of a drag doing all that just for like one giveaway, one hat. So let's give away more. If you follow ThrillMouseMoto on Instagram, then you'll notice that I've been giving away these stickers like crazy recently by doing little funny things to get them. And they're actually pretty cool, like exterior gray, fancy stickers too. I just been mailing them out. Actually, I'm doing one right now on Instagram that I'll be mailing out, picking a winner and then mailing out probably tomorrow. Also, the beanie. The beanie's still going on. I think one more day. I mean, I'm about to upload this video like by tonight. So I think tomorrow the beanie auction is still going on, and I'll have the link somewhere for that on eBay. But thanks for all the other contestants for playing. It helps out a lot to know that people are interested in this stuff, and more giveaways. We also just got these acrylic pens in too, so other ways to rock the Thrill Mouse Moto YouTube channel logo is those are other options there. Probably stuff that's just going to be giveaway. More stuff like hats, different styles of hats. These are cool. I like rocking mine. We'll probably do some other stuff too. The beanies, it's, you know, people really like a beanie, or they're into the regular flat brim caps or dad hats. Dad hats would be pretty cool to rock. That was definitely a possibility, but you know, channel's not even really 4 months old yet, so that's kind of cool. So thanks for everybody. I think it's on the 6th or the 9th, but I think it's the 6th. The 6th will be my 4-month mark of the Thrill Mouse Moto channel, riding out with Rykers, Ryan and I, our other Ryker buddies, motorcycle buddies, road trips and everything. Road trips! So, update, other than, you know, doing the contest stuff, since I have you, on keeping you guys current with the Thrill Mouse Moto YouTube universe, and our universe in real life is that we're dumping the Roswell video. We went to Roswell, and that's actually the first of our 3-part road trip to New Mexico. We go from Austin, Texas to Roswell, New Mexico, and then through Ruidoso, which will be its own video also, which is the next part of that road trip video series. Stopped there at Fox Cave, which was really cool. That's for making its own video on its own. And then our actual destination, which is White Sands National Park. So if you want to see how them 600 Rykers do in White Sand National Park, it's a pretty cool video. I'll probably do like a straight ride video also, where we're just going through it, see how it's like, especially through Ruidoso, because that's like really cool, the way the mountain stuff and the trees are and everything. And then just the way we regularly do videos also as part of the 3-part series. So stay tuned for that. It's a good time to be, you heard the man Mayday, good time to be subscribing, and make sure you catch the rest of the road trip series. So appreciate the viewers, appreciate the subscribers even more. Thanks for watching, and Thrill Mouse Moto.